Oh, hey, Connor, come here. We're close.
Yes.
Look, we're almost at 100.
Wait, you're over 100 subscribers.
Yes, we got 100, Connor. Let's go. We got 100.
Wait, but you dropped subscribers. You suck. That's why. They don't like you. They unsubscribed.
I got 100 though.
They dropped subscribers. I'll drop you like your subscriber drop.
Wait. I got an email from YouTube. I think
It's okay. You're ugly anyways.
Hey, look, see? Look, they sent an email. Look.
Wow.
And look, they said they'll ship it on Monday. Monday they're shipping the play button. Let's go. I'm gonna look outside already. Haha, they said it's shipping. He's ugly. Oh, I can't wait.
Hey,
What's up?
we gotta ship this out soon. Done with that letter?
Yeah, just about. I just need to sign it, and then it just says congratulations C Squared for the 100 subscriber milestone. We are so proud of you. Keep it up, YouTube Studio, and then signature.
Wait a second. If you said yesterday in the meeting that his trash, why do we have to spend money on a reward like this for him?
Look, man, it's policy. We gotta pretend to be nice and support our creators.
That kind of makes sense, even though we don't like him. Alright.
Yeah, gotta do what we gotta do, man.
Let's ship this out.
Let's do it.
It's been a while already. They said it'd be here already. It was taking them so long. It's already on Monday. Okay. Hi. Oh.
It's more.
What are you looking for?
Ow. 31 day late. My goodness, man. Oh, it's finally here. Is that package? Oh.
Looking at.
Package you up! Jeez.
YouTube. Man, don't mind if I do. Oh, yes.
Hello. Wait. It's 1:30. What are you doing?
Minimum day today.
Oh, so you're not at school anymore?
No, I'm not in school.
Is that package here?
Oh yeah, it's right there.
Oh, yes!
Loser.
Wait, what did you... Wait, Connor!
Yes.
Open the door!
No.
What did you do? Oh, congratulations, C Square for the 100... Wow! From YouTube Studio.
The videos are trash.
Oh.
Bring them
Hey,
back.
Connor!
Like you're a blacklist.
Connor!
You're fired.
Connor!
What?
It broke!
What row?
Come outside! What'd you do to it?
Oh, I broke it.
Alright, thanks for 100 guys. It's kinda cool. Not because I'm running out of ideas or anything, but I want next episode I want to do like a Dear Ryan kind of thing, which is, if you don't know Ryan, he does these kind of episodes where he kind of just put like questions and challenges down below, and so you guys can do that too. Just put any questions or challenges. Shut up! Down below, and I'm gonna call it Question Christian. So yeah, leave anything down below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.